Nadine, our wedding day has finally arrived. Our journey started over 16 years ago. You could say I'm a slow burn.
As we stand here today, I look back on the journey that has brought us to this moment. I knew that when I saw those blue eyes all those years ago at Rainforest Station, that you were the one for me.
Nadine's Uncle June has now been given this honour. Thank you. You two are now on the threshold of entering chapter 4 as you enter into a new gateway of your togetherness.
You have given me two beautiful daughters, Chloe and Heidi. You have turned our house into a home and you filled it with love.
Dave, I'm honoured to be a partner and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you.
It gives me the greatest pleasure to declare that at last, after 16 years, that you two are husband and wife. Today, a beautiful sun rose just for you two. That sun has brought you light and it's brought you love and it's shared its strength with you. He was realising that from there on, Nadine would always be in his life. And they have nothing but love, respect and support for each other at all times.
I'm standing here with you, honoured and proud to be the father of our children and a husband to you. I love you, Nats.
I would like to introduce to you our newly married couple, Mr. David Creed and Mrs. Nadine Marcus. As you look back to this day, you will say that your wedding was one that just seemed to fly. And that's because it's been a day filled with emotion, family, friends, rings, music and magic. It's a dream day for you. And it's a dream, and it's John Lennon once said, a dream that you dream alone is only a dream. But the dream that you dream together, that is reality. And you two are already living that reality.